little bit bigger than the bottom. Yeah, it does. Doesn't it look just a tiny bit bigger than the bottom shadow? It does look bigger to me. This might be it. But it's not looking at my look. Okay. I'm nervous. Come on. Huh? Oi, what's wrong with you? Oi, I feel it! I did it! Yes! Ah! I did it! All the fish! All the fish are mine! Oh. Okay. I caught all the fish! In one stream! 2 streams! Wait a minute, that means... I've caught all the fish! Wait, you don't have a pun? You think I've had a pun for this occasion? Fish monsters! No. I am now the champion of my island. I guess. Why? It's a New Year's miracle. Thank you. I wanna get my trophy. Tell us a pun, Sana. I caught all the fish. Now the fish family. I'll let myself out of that door. What a legend! You're the legend! It was all thanks to you being in the stream and giving me luck. This deserves a standing ovation. Awesome! You think I have a fun? I want to capture this. I get a trophy from Blathers though. I did it! Fill your Critterpedia with fish and earn miles along the way. Can you categorize each type in every fish that swims on in your island's waters? I did it! You are no help, Mr. Nook. Let's go home. Home sweet home. Seems like the puns have been fished to extinction. Standing ovation. I can time travel to the last day of 2021. But I will get my trophy first. That was a Pisces ordeal. Pesky ordeal. Yosh. I don't know. Once I started this stream, I was wondering if I took too much. If I bit more than I can chew. But I did it. I'm so happy right now. New Year party on Santa's Island. Do you want to come to my island right now? I feel bad that the limit is 8 though. I feel really sad about that. Woohoo, why? This is an oarfish! Now might I interest you in a few fascinating facts about your oarfish? The oarfish is a long eel-like fish that can supposedly reach up to 36 feet in length. What? That's like... Isn't that 3 times or like 4 times the amount of a stringfish? Now when someone mentions an oarfish, you can say, oh what? Oh what? They appear in various legends as things like messengers of the gods. It seems to me a creature like that could explain the myth of a massive ship-crushing sea serpents. Ah! So like back in the day, they saw an oarfish and thought it was a sea serpent. It is of course well documented that people tend to exaggerate the size of the one that got away. I've been doing that for 14 hours now. How many hours now? Oh what? You found the missing puzzle piece to the museum's fish puzzle, son. No. Huh? That is to say, we had a fish-shaped hole in our fish collection, and now we do not. My feathers! I get frosted when a museum collection is completed! Yay! What I meant to say is your fishing proficiency and generosity is greatly appreciated. Hoot hoot hooray! Our museum is a better place because of you today. This may be a good time to bring up an idea I've had for some time now. What's this? I've decided to have a series of posters made to celebrate the completion of our collections. I felt it would be a good way to show my gratitude to everyone pitching in to grow this world-class museum. Just me? Once they're ready, I plan to send them out through the mail, so please do keep an eye on your mailbox. I'll check it out on New Year's Eve. Congratulations, thank you! As each collection is completed, I'll have another poster printed, so keep your donations coming. I might have to do another stream one day of like the bugs and the sea critters. Unlike Oak, Blather's nose, Sana is the champion. That's right! Look at this! The aquarium is so pretty now! Whoa! Oh, this rare fish. Is that the string? That's a stringfish, and that's a golden trout. Cute. Your endurance is on another scale. Congratulations. I am from space. I am space. Our sense of endurance is different up here. It's so pretty! Wait a second, I do think that the aquarium is still missing stuff from the sea critters from diving. So it's not completely finished. This is one of my favorite spots. Look at that. They're so huge. We caught so many fish today. And then the oil fish is over here. I believe you look at this. Oil fish. It's like reaching for the light, but it'll never reach it. It's stuck inside this glass tank forever. It's so pretty! Thank you! The color cast was donated in the future. The Arapaima is so huge! Arapaima! Where's the, piranha? I remember in the old games, the piranha would try to, attack against a tank and try to eat you up. There it is. There's a piranha. It's chomping. Yeah, see, look at it. It's looking at me. It thinks I'm tasty. In you leave, the piranha would bang against the glass, trying to eat you up. Something, I guess I'll wait for whenever I do the bug endurance. Yeah. If you guys haven't seen the butterfly room yet,